Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Devi, and in this short tutorial I'm going to look at how you can register your account in Lionshare using a Trust Wallet. I know most of my guys in my team are using a Trust Wallet. That's why I've come up with you to do this short tutorial. So as you can see, I've already logged into my Trust Wallet account. This is the account I'm going to be using in Lionshare. That's why even I called it Lionshare. So there are those 4 boxes at the bottom of the page, as you can see them. So those, you tap on them and it will bring that page. Now when it brings that page, at the top of the page in the search button, you enter the URL or the referral link of your sponsor. In this case, I'm going to use my link for one of my accounts. So you just edit, you paste it there. Now I've pasted it there, and then you enter. When you enter, it will take you to the page of Lionshare, the official page. As you can see, welcome to the fastest paying business. You scroll down, there is where you see join now. You tap on join now. Tap on join now, it will bring that page. Now they are telling you to first begin with 0.04 ETH to get your share. So what you do, you first have to confirm your sponsor's ID. Now my ID is 19141, as you can see there. If it's not the one, you can always edit it, but that is mine. So you click on purchase if that's your sponsor's ID. It will take you to this page. Now this is the page where you have to confirm your transaction. Now as you can see, the gas fee is too much because that is due to congestion on the blockchain. You don't need to worry about that. If the gas fee is too high, you just need to leave it at that time and come back another time, and then you purchase when the gas fee is little. So if you're comfortable with the gas fees, you click on approve. Now I'm not going to click on it because the gas fee is high, but if you click on approve, it will redirect you to your wallet where you'll confirm the transaction and the money will be deducted. And as you're waiting for your account to be created, they will also give you your referral link. You could copy your referral link to maybe a clipboard somewhere, and then you can start inviting in people. So that, guys, that's it for this short tutorial. You can subscribe to my channel because I'm going to add there more tutorials about Lionshare. And those who are not yet in, my link is in the description of the video. You can click on it and join our massive team. See you guys in another video.